Have you ever wondered where the vibrant colors in your clothes or food come from? These vivid hues are often the result of natural colors and dyes. Let's unravel this colorful mystery together. Natural dyes are fascinating substances that have the ability to impart color to materials. They are derived from the Earth's resources, such as plants, insects, and minerals. They've been used for centuries, long before synthetic dyes came into existence. A key component of dyeing is a substance called a mordant. A mordant is a material that combines with a dye and the fiber so that the dye becomes fast or sticks to the fiber. It's like the glue that holds the color in place. So the next time you marvel at the brilliant colors in a piece of cloth or a dish of food, remember the natural dyes and the role they play. Now that we've introduced the concept, let's dive into the fascinating world of natural dyes. So how do we categorize these natural dyes? Well, it's all about the chemistry. The chemical properties and structures of these dyes determine their classification. We have 4 primary classes: acid dyes, basic dyes, direct dyes, and vat dyes. Acid dyes, as the name suggests, are water-soluble anionic dyes that are applied to fibers such as silk, wool, and nylon. The name comes from the need for an acid such as vinegar or citric acid to set the dye on the fiber. These dyes are known for their bright hues and excellent light fastness, which means they resist fading when exposed to light. Next up, we have basic dyes. These are cationic, meaning they carry a positive charge. They're used with fibers like acrylic and are known for their vibrant colors. However, they tend to have poorer light fastness compared to acid dyes. Then there are direct dyes, also known as substantive dyes. These are another group of anionic dyes. They have a high affinity for the fiber and can be applied directly without the need for a mordant, a substance that helps the dye bind to the fiber. You'll find these dyes in cotton and linen materials. Last but not least, we have vat dyes. These dyes are insoluble in water and require a reducing agent to dissolve. Once the dye is absorbed by the fiber, it is oxidized back to its original insoluble form, making it highly color-fast. Indigo, a popular natural dye, falls into this category. Each of these classes has its unique chemical characteristics that make them suitable for specific types of fibers and uses. From the charge they carry to their solubility in water to their light fastness, these dyes are as diverse as they are colorful. And that's the beauty of the chemical world of natural dyes. They're more than just colors. They're a fascinating blend of chemistry and nature working together to bring vibrancy to our lives. Understanding these categories helps us appreciate the diversity and complexity of natural dyes. Now, let's take a closer look at some specific natural dyes, starting with Cochineal and Henna. Cochineal, a vibrant red dye, has a rather unique origin story. It is derived from a tiny insect, Dactylopius coccus, that resides on prickly pear cacti. These little creatures, when crushed, produce a potent scarlet dye known as carminic acid. With its striking color and high light fastness, cochineal has been prized for centuries. It was extensively used by the Aztecs and Mayans, and later became a highly sought-after commodity in Europe during the 16th century. Today, it's found in everything from textiles to cosmetics and even food colorants, proving that great things can indeed come in small packages. Now, shifting our attention from insects to plants, let's delve into the world of henna. Originating from the Lawsonia inermis plant, henna is renowned for its rich, earthy tones, ranging from orange to a deep burgundy. It is prepared by crushing the plant's leaves into a fine powder, which is then mixed with water to create a paste. This paste, when applied to skin, hair, or fabric, imparts a warm hue that has captivated humans for millennia. Henna's cultural significance is as rich as its color, with its usage dating back to ancient Egypt, where it was used for cosmetic purposes and even in mummification rituals. Today, it's widely used in body art, hair coloring, and textile dyeing around the globe. What makes these dyes truly remarkable is their natural origin and the diverse range of colors they offer. They are a testament to nature's palette, and their use in various cultures adds a fascinating layer of history and tradition to their chemical properties. Cochineal and henna are just 2 examples of the amazing natural dyes used around the world. From the cacti-dwelling insects of the New World to the leafy Lawsonia inermis of the Old World, These dyes remind us of the vibrant tapestry of life and the enduring allure of nature's colors. Let's continue our exploration with annatto, indigo, beet, and turmeric. Annatto, derived from the seeds of the achiote tree, is a vibrant orange-red dye. With its rich hues, it's easy to see why it's been used in textiles and cosmetics for centuries. But did you know it's also a staple in the food industry? Its unique chemical properties allow it to withstand high cooking temperatures, making it a go-to for coloring foods like cheese, butter, and even popcorn. Next, let's plunge into the blues with indigo. This dye comes from the indigo plant, and it has a fascinating story. It undergoes a chemical transformation when exposed to air, changing from a green solution to a deep blue. This process, known as oxidation, is what gives indigo-dyed fabrics their characteristic blue hues. And it's not just for denim. Indigo has been used in printing inks, paints, and even as a hair dye. Now, let's move on to the earthy reds and purples of beet dye. Extracted from beetroot, this dye is lauded for its non-toxic and eco-friendly properties. It's used extensively in the food industry for coloring drinks, desserts, and even meats. Plus, its high stability under acidic conditions makes it a favorite for dyeing fabrics and yarns. And finally, we have turmeric, the golden spice. This dye, derived from the turmeric plant, is known for its brilliant yellow color. It's been used in textiles, cosmetics, and food for centuries. But it's also prized for its potential health benefits thanks to the presence of a chemical compound called curcumin. This makes turmeric a multifaceted dye that's not just about color, but also about well-being. So you see, each of these dyes, annatto, indigo, beet, and turmeric, has its unique chemical characteristics and uses. They're not just about bringing color to our lives, but also hold significant roles in various industries. From the vibrant blues of indigo to the deep reds of beet, natural dyes truly offer a rainbow of possibilities. We've journeyed through the colorful world of natural dyes, but what are the key takeaways? Let's circle back to the beginning, where we discovered that natural dyes are substances obtained from nature that can impart color. These are often extracted from plants, but can also come from animals or minerals. We've also learned about mordants, substances that help the dye adhere to the fabric, creating a bond between the two that is resistant to washing and sunlight. We dove into the chemical classification of these natural dyes, uncovering that they are divided into various groups based on their chemical structure and their method of application on the textile. Some of these groups include direct or substantive dyes, vat dyes, mordant dyes, and reactive dyes. Our exploration took us to the vibrant hues of cochineal and henna. Cochineal, sourced from a type of insect, gives us brilliant red and purple shades. Henna, on the other hand, a plant-based dye, is famous for its rich, earthy tones that have beautified human skin and hair for centuries. We then ventured into the realms of annatto, indigo, beet, and turmeric dyes. Annatto, derived from the seeds of the achiote tree, is renowned for its yellow to orange color spectrum. Indigo, a plant-based dye, gifts us with its iconic deep blue. Beet dye, made from the common beetroot, provides a range of red and pink hues, while turmeric, a well-known spice, imparts a bright, sunny yellow. Each of these dyes, with their unique properties and colors, plays a crucial role in the tapestry of our world, coloring everything from our clothes to our food, our artwork, to our rituals. They remind us of the beauty and diversity of nature, and how we can harness its gifts in sustainable and creative ways. Remember, the world is full of color, and it's all thanks to the amazing chemistry of natural dyes. Before we conclude, there's something important we need to address. You've journeyed with us through the vibrant world of natural colors and dyes, delving into the chemical classifications and studying the properties of cochineal, henna, annatto, indigo, beet, and turmeric dyes. But this is only the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other exciting topics and intriguing subjects that we're eager to explore and share with you. We invite you to join us on this journey of knowledge and discovery. By subscribing to our channel, you'll ensure that you never miss a moment of this adventure. Every video we share is crafted with care, designed to ignite your curiosity and deepen your understanding. So don't miss out. Join us as we unlock the secrets of the world around us. Subscribe for more, because you won't find me later. Stay curious and keep exploring the colorful world around you.